Now that we know how to deploy and reload the 2.5-inch Quick Attack, we're going to look at 3 hose control techniques. Recall that this line requires no flip and is shown here being finished with an accordion forward. By grabbing the third loop above the nozzle, approximately 50 feet of working line will be deployed next to the nozzle. Even though all STFD personnel are expected to be capable of deploying and flowing this line by themselves, maneuvering it requires teamwork. This should not be considered a one-person operation. The hit grip allows for the greatest flexibility in line use. This is the foundation grip for both 1.75-inch and 2.5-inch hand lines. Create a friction point between the hip and the top of the thigh and press down on the line. An arm's length of hose should stay in front of the nozzle person. Directing the stream is primarily done with the hips, leaving the lead hand to fine-tune the stream. Next is the camella. Now the hose comes up and over the upper leg and is pinched between the rib cage and armpit. This provides friction to control the hose. The elbow of the dominant arm is then braced against the inner thigh to help capture some of the nozzle reaction and lock in the hose line to the body. Last is the clamp. This technique is used primarily from a stationary position and works very well for 2.5-inch operations when a backup firefighter is unavailable. The key is to use the ankle or shin bone to press the line into the ground using body weight. This allows the nozzle reaction to be absorbed by the ground. As in all hose lays, make sure there are no kinks. Since our pressure is much lower with the smoothbore, the effects from kinks will be more noticeable. Do not pass kinks on the fire ground. Special thanks to Aaron Fields and the Nozzle Forward program.